This is Avenue with Word Inquiry, and I'm Tahir. Education Division. Let's move towards plant breeding and genetics. Some definitions. Part B after genome. Next is genotype, which is the genetic constitution of an individual, or you can say genetic makeup. Germination is emergence of normal seedling from seed in ideal condition of light, temperature, moisture, oxygen, and nutrient. Gene is device to separate length from seed. Hand gene is operated by hand. Electrical gene is operated by electricity. Then is saw gene, single roller gene, double roller gene, laboratory model gene. Ginning is the process of separation of length from seed. Ginning out turn GOT is the percentage ratio of length to cotton seed. Gossypol is a compound in cotton plants, leaf, stem, etc., which is harmful to monogastric animals like human being. Glandless cotton is the cotton having no gossypol glands. Hard seed are those not absorb water. Haploids are having half somatic chromosome number. Haploid number is the gametic chromosome number of a species. Harvest index is the ratio of economic yield to biological yield. Heritability, when it is the ratio of genotypic variance to the phenotypic variance, is broad sense heritability, and when is the ratio of additive variance to phenotypic variance, is narrow sense heritability. Heterobeltosis is the superiority of F1 over its better parent, whereas heterosis or hybrid vigor is the superiority of F1 in one or more characters over its parents. Heterozygote or heterozygous, having dissimilar alleles in homologous chromosome. Heterozygosity is the proportion of heterozygous individuals in segregating population, whereas homozygosity is the proportion of homozygous individuals in segregating population. Homeostasis is the ability of an individual to keep stable internal environment. Homogeneous population is genetically similar population like F1, clone, pure line. Host is the plant attacked by disease, insect, parasitic weeds, etc. Hull or seed coat is the seed's outer covering bearing length and linthers or fuzz. Hull index is the weight of hull in grams of 100 seeds, whereas hybrid is the cross of genetically dissimilar parents, whereas hybridization is the crossing between two dissimilar parents, whereas hybrid variety is the F1 released or notified for commercial cultivation. Hypostatic gene is the non-allelic gene whose effect is masked. Ideotype is the plant expected greater yield. Improved seed is the seed when produced by scientific method. Inbred is the genotype obtained by inbreeding, whereas inbreeding is the mating between closely related varieties. Inbreeding depression is the loss in vigor due to inbreeding, whereas incomplete dominance is partial resemblance of F1 with one of its parent. Indigenous collection is the germ plasm collection within the country, whereas induced mutation produced by treatment of mutagenic agent. Inert matter is non-living material. Example soil, etc. in seed. Interspecific cross is between two species of a genus, whereas intraspecific cross is between two genotypes of same species. Ionizing radiation which produce ions. Isogenic lines are those having one gene difference. Karyotype is chromosome features phenotypically, whereas kernel, KERNEL, is the portion of cotton seed remain in after removal of hull. Kernel index is the weight of 100 kernels in grams. Kernel oil index is the weight of oil obtained from 100 kernels. Land races is the initial cultivated species by farmer for many generations. Lint is long seed coat fiber which are spinnable, whereas linters or fuzz is the short fibers which left on seed after ginning are also spinnable, whereas lint index is the weight of lint obtained from 100 seeds per gram. 100 seeds in grams. Locule is the partition inside bowl. Numbers may be 3 to 5 in range. Locule retentivity is the seed carton holding capacity of locule. Luster is brightness of cotton fiber. Major genes are those with identifiable effect. Male gametocide are the chemicals to induce sterility. Male sterility when pollen absent or non-functional. Oligogenesis, one or few genes governing same qualitative character. Thank you.